Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Steve FPVs, and today we're going to talk about improving your FPV skills. And here are 5 tips I am going to give you. 1. Practice regularly. As with any skill, consistent practice is essential to improving your FPV flying ability. Set aside time each week and each day to practice and challenge yourself with new maneuvers and tricks. In my case, today I was practicing power looping. Yes, it looks simple, but damn, it is complicated. 2. Invest in quality equipment. So for the last 6 months I was flying DJI FPV, and that thing is garbage for freestyle. It's a great beginner drone, but as soon as you crash it, it breaks. Finally, last month I invested into a Quadmula F3. Shout out to Quadmula, it's a great company, they make awesome frame. That thing is beautiful to fly, guys. So invest in what you love. Great equipment will make a significant difference in your FPV experience and skill learning. Buy equipment that suits your needs. So I got a Quadmula F3 and an O3 air unit, and that thing is lovely, guys. 3. Join a community. FPV flying is a social activity, and joining a local or online community can provide valuable support and resources for improving your skill. I am on Facebook, I meet people on Facebook, we talk about things. It's lovely, guys. Great community. 3. Learn from others. Don't be shy to ask for help. Watch video, live stream of experienced FPV pilots. It can provide you valuable insight and inspiration for improving your skills. Study their technique, learn from their mistake and your mistake, adapt their strategy to your own flying style, and you are off flying, guys. You will have fun. 5. And final advice. Experiment and have fun. FPV flying is a creative and expressive hobby. There is no one right way to do it. Experiment with different maneuvers, try new setup and configuration, like changing prop, like changing your rates. Just have fun, guys. And above all, have fun and enjoy the experience of flying FPV. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you like it.